Hey guys, just gonna give you a little tour of the town. We've been getting a ton of rain and it's just been raining non-stop. Everything's starting to flood out. River's way up. The south end's starting to flood. Feather Creek's getting real high. So yeah, let me take you around for a little tour. See all this flooding. Hey guys, haven't been able to get a video out the last week. We've got some pretty crazy flooding going on around here. Been raining non-stop, and that's why I haven't been able to get out on the river or do any camping. So yeah, I'm sitting here at the riverfront right now, and it's roaring pretty good. It's starting to work its way up. I've seen it a lot worse than this, but we've still got a lot more rain coming, and they still haven't let the dam out, so it should come up quite a bit more. The thing's flying right now. Yeah, she's pretty flooded. That tree way out there is a little ways from the bank, maybe 10-15 feet. Yeah, she's came up quite a bit. You can see the building's top over there. That's about 8 or 9 feet up in the air. 8 or 9 feet high, I should say. I came home from work earlier, and coming across the bridge, there were some huge trees floating down. Actually, my little one even noticed them. Looks like it's kind of damming up. Some trees and logs over there. Man, that thing is ripping. It's going fast. That would be Feather Creek. It's flowing pretty good today. It's got quite a bit to come up before it breaks the bank, but like I said, we've got more rain on the way, so I'm sure it'll get up a little bit higher. And this is the south end of town. There's a church there that's flooded. Starting to come over 9th Street. There's actually a big old ditch over here, and it's completely full. My parents' house is actually just on the other side of that. They'll be getting some water coming in. All the way across the road. It's actually plumb full. That thing's about 40 feet deep. My parents' house. Home sweet home. All the water's starting to back up. The problem that they were supposed to fix, not necessary. Oh, I've really got riverfront property. This is right in front of my house. My house is half a mile away from the river. It's starting to come up pretty good. Pretty sure the whole town would be under if it got all the way up to my house though, but hey, maybe I can put it on the market. Sell it for a little more now that I've got riverfront property. Sounds like a plan to me. Anyways, guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And just wanted to throw a video up, show you guys the assessed damage, what's going on with all this flooding. All right, thanks guys.